Grabe, na-stress ako medyo. I mean, na-stress ako pero ngayon na-relieve na naman ako. Basically, pumila ako for the check-in para sa flight ko nga with Ryanair going to Rome from Barcelona. I'm at the airport right now. Tingnan mo kung gaano kahaba ang aking pinila. Simula dyan, yan yung dulo. Tapos yan, pa-S yan, pa-ahas. Pag ganun-ganon yan. Pag ganyan-ganyan. Kasi isang pila lang yan. Tapos, pagdating ko doon sa counter, sabi, I can go directly to the gate. Which is a big relief. Kasi, habang kanina nakapila ako, nagbabasa ako ng mga check-in information ng Ryanair sa online. Tapos nakabasa ako doon na pag hindi ka daw nag-print ng boarding pass, meron daw check-in fee na, 20 euro. Grabe naman yung 20 euro. Parang almost price na siya ng isang flight din. Sobrang mahal. Iniisip ko, magpe-print ka lang ng paper and then it will cost you 20 euro. I think that was not updated yung nabasa ko. So that was what worried me earlier. But big relief kasi it's not that. So I don't need to print or to have like a hard copy of the boarding pass. So very nice. Kasi actually yun din yung iniisip ko kanina pa lang habang pumipila ko dun ng napakahaba. Kasi with EasyJet, wait lang, saan ba ako? B36. Asan yung B? Where is B? Okay, kwento ko. Tuloy ko muna yung kwento. Habang pumipila ako doon, I was already thinking if I should be doing this kasi sobrang haba ng pila. Iniisip ko, baka maiwan ako ng ng plane kung ganito kahaba. And then, I remember with a different airline, EasyJet, I didn't even have to line up kasi nakita nila na nag-online check-in ako. I can go directly to the gate yon. So pagdating ko kanina sa dun sa counter na nga, yun din yung sinabi sa akin na you are priority boarding. Priority boarding, ibig sabihin, you check-in online. Kasi nga, after you check-in online, meron na siyang PDF ng boarding pass mo. You don't have to necessarily print it, the hard copy, but you have the soft copy of the boarding pass. Nakita niya yun sa phone ko. Tapos yun, sabi niya, diretso na daw ako dun sa gate. Ang kaloka, sobrang haba ng pinila ko. Tapos, pero okay lang kasi at least yun nga, hindi naman pala magbabayad pag walang hard copy ng boarding pass. Naihi ako. Hindi na ako kaya dito. So yun, binasa ko din kasi yung parang information about dun sa boarding na kalakip or kasama ng information about na boarding. Wala naman kasi naka-indicate dun na sabi na parang go directly to the boarding gate once you have this printed copy or once you have this soft copy of the boarding pass. Wala namang ganun. Kaya pumila pa rin ako kasi yung sa EasyJet, there is that information that you can actually go to the gate. But with Ryanair, wala. So pumila ako ng napakahaba. But that is the case. So bottom line is that buti na lang, I didn't have to pay for a check-in fee. Hello, excuse me. Where is the B36?
Upstairs on the right, for the security check.
Okay, B, right? Thank you. Because it's only showing A and C on the sign. Okay. Gracias. Okay, so kailangan ko na siyang patayin kasi wala na.